Hello, today I have a Bluetooth speaker from HOCO, and the model type is HC13 Sport Bluetooth speaker. I got this one for free. We signed up with a new phone. Well, it's not me, my wife signed up with a new phone and they give us this for free. Looking at the price tag, they're selling it for $50, but we got it for free. When I did some research, the price is actually a lot less than this price on eBay. This is Australian dollars we're talking about. But since this is a budget Bluetooth speaker, let's see how good the sound is. Okay, so inside the box you have the warranty card. I believe this is manual or instructions. And you have this audio cable, and I believe this is the USB cable to recharge the Bluetooth speaker. Well, it's a bit heavy and it's made of plastic, pretty much plastic. Yeah, it's not a solid build. Plastic. Okay, so the weight is about 355 grams. We have the power button here. This one I think is to play and pause. I think this is manual. And this is the volume down and volume up. So let's see if we still have some juice in this Bluetooth speaker. Okay, when turning it on, it sounds like the JBL Bluetooth speaker. I have one upstairs. Okay, so that is the main console. And over here, so we have, I think this is the USB-C for charging, and this one, the big USB slot. I think this is to connect to your laptop to play music, and that is the audio port. And I can see that a small slot. I think this is for micro SD, where you can put all your songs in there. I don't know, I haven't tried, but that's all I thought. Maybe you can refer to the manual. What's that micro SD slot for? Yeah, it says the micro SD slot is to play your MP3 audio. I'm gonna use my computer to connect with this Bluetooth. Okay, I can see a HOCO HC13, so I'm trying to connect it. Okay, so now it's connecting. Let's see, let's play some music. I'm going to play a copyright-free music for this video.
Let's go. Yeah. I'm like an addict, do sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never. Some things are not the same. And honestly, I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight. Gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait, no, it's living with no shame. Wait, no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's all.
Okay, I think I heard enough. In my opinion, it's not as good as my JBL upstairs. This Bluetooth speaker is worse than I thought. My JBL Bluetooth speaker upstairs sounds much better than this one. Although I bought that JBL Bluetooth speaker at the cheapest range, and the sound is like 3 or 4 times better than this one. So in my opinion, I think this is a fail. So I'm gonna put this one back in the box. I think I'm gonna give it to someone, or I just donate it. I'm not gonna use this. So yeah, thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye.